Here we have a 2025 Chevy Equinox EV. This is a fully electric vehicle, and what's interesting about this car is that it has no push to start button. This right here is just the volume knob, but to start the car we have to press on the brake, and then the car goes into ready mode. Our shifter is right here. However, I cannot shift until I buckle up, and now we can shift it. To turn off the car, we have to unbuckle, and open up the door, and then the car turns off. Let me know in the comments which system you prefer, a physical cylinder key, a push button, or this kind of system.